Can daily walking really improve spine health? Maintaining a healthy spine is essential for overall well-being, yet many people struggle with back pain due to sedentary lifestyles, poor posture, or aging. A common question arises: can something as simple as daily walking genuinely improve spine health? Surprisingly, the answer is yes. Walking can be one of the most accessible and effective ways to support and enhance spinal function. Walking is a low-impact aerobic exercise that promotes circulation, strengthens muscles, and encourages proper alignment of the spine. Unlike high-impact activities that may strain the back, walking gently engages the core, glutes, and leg muscles, which all play a vital role in supporting the spine. These muscles act as stabilizers, keeping the spine in proper alignment and reducing the risk of injury or chronic pain. One of the key benefits of walking for spine health is improved posture. Many people develop poor postural habits from sitting at desks or looking down at phones for extended periods. Over time, this can lead to spinal misalignment and muscular imbalances. Walking, especially with an upright posture and engaged core, helps reset the body's natural alignment and encourages better postural habits. With regular walking, individuals may notice reduced tension in the lower back, neck, and shoulders. Walking also promotes the health of intervertebral discs, the spongy cushions between each vertebra. These discs rely on movement and hydration to stay healthy. Walking stimulates spinal movement and increases circulation, which helps these discs receive the nutrients they need to stay pliable and functional. This can prevent disc degeneration and reduce the risk of conditions like herniated discs or sciatica. Another significant benefit of daily walking is its role in weight management. Excess body weight places additional stress on the spine, particularly the lower back. Walking helps burn calories and maintain a healthy weight, easing the load on spinal structures and decreasing the likelihood of developing chronic back issues. Additionally, walking is beneficial for mental health, which indirectly supports spinal health. Stress and anxiety often manifest physically through muscle tension, especially in the back and neck. Walking outdoors or on a treadmill can serve as a form of meditation, reducing stress levels and relieving muscular tightness associated with emotional strain. It's important to approach walking mindfully. Proper footwear, walking on even surfaces, and maintaining good form are essential.